Turn trash into cash. This is Ezekiel Torres Pangan, 19, from Marisol.
Less is more. The lesser we can use non-biodegradable materials, the more we can get a high-grade light. Ken Philip Lacson, 17, from Barangay Pandan.
Land 3, Make Life, Christian Vladimir Brea, 19, from Barangay Santo Domingo.
Clean air, fresh air, I care. This is Margie Sandolang Ferdes, 19, from Barangay Santo Niño, Pampanga. Ride the bicycle, progress with life cycle. This is Melvin Vicar Bongko, 18, from Lourdes Northwest.
Planosid, take the lead. Edwin Pangilinan, 17, from Barangay Anunas.
Learn to be loved, learn to be smart. Plant a seed in a cup and bring handy spoon and fork to start. Mazen Eisen, 17, from Barangay Lourdes Circus. Exercise with nature will give us a better future. Jordan John Castillo, 20, from Barangay Pulong Kakutu.
Let's use a plastic. Be a paper fanatic. This is Leo Pescadera, 17, from Barangay Santo Rosario.
We are responsible for the earth. You and me, not tomorrow, but today. I am Marvin Lardizabal Biacora, 18 years old, from Barangay San Jose.
Proper waste segregation, an ideal environmental solution. Marcaline Pelker, 20 years old, from Barangay Pulumbulu.
A good human being knows how to conserve and preserve our natural resources. Beverly Baltasar, 17, representing Balibago.
Save energy and let's be happy and thrifty. My name is Jhoie Pamintuan, 18 years of age, proudly represent Barangay Santa Teresita.
Reuse, reduce, recycle, and restore. I am Mary Catherine Jhoie Ryx Skyler, 17 years old, representing Barangay Pandan.
Ang basurang tamang itinapon, mapapakinabangan kailanmang panahon. This is Maria Elena Walsase, 17, representing Barangay Balibago.
Right, use paper bags. And I'm Carl Mimoliari Gonzalez, 16 years old, from Barangay Lourdes Circus.
My advocacy is world safe drinking water. Because fresh water, I care. This is Myrie and Mikey Siliwanag, 16, representing Barangay Ninoy Aquino.
Of more dryness to reduce air pollution. This is Crystal Marlene Hilton. I'm 18 years old, representing Barangay Santo Domingo.
Bags for shopping is the ideal nature-friendly thing. This is Danica Alfonso Villanueva, 18 years of age, representing Barangay.
Be aware for nature's welfare. My name is Maureen May Basilio-Cia, 17, representing Barangay Lourdes Sur.
Collecting plastic bottles to fight environmental crisis battle. This is Daniel Crisalta Nueco Sese, 21, from Barangay Lourdes Sur.
Conserve resource naturally to nurture biodiversity. This is Justin Teres Lansangan, 17, representing Barangay San Jose.